Hi, this is Doug English with Act Advisors with your February 2024 update. Well, January was a good start to the year. We had the stock market move up something around 1%. Now, that was just in the mega caps. The very largest companies moved up this month, and everything else went down, but not very much, 3-4%. Now, the bond market had a very volatile month as interest rate expectations went back and forth. We ended up at the end of the month having a little bit of a decrease in rates, so the bonds spiked up for that last day. But overall, the bond market had a decrease of about 1/3% for the month. So what you can expect in your accounts is a return somewhere between 0 and 1% for January, which of course 1% a month would be a wonderful return for the year, right? We would love to see that continue. Now, January effect is something to welcome. When we see the market go up for the month of January, it tends to predict a nice year. But of course, there's lots ahead of us. The key issue is, what rate does the Fed decrease interest rate at? What pace do they decrease interest rates at? That's going to be really critical. You'll see the market paying attention to every single word that comes. When we see the kind of massive market breadth thrust like we did in November and December, we tend to see a less positive first quarter and a tail-ended returns pattern for the year. So we might have to be patient in the first quarter. Any substantial dips that we might get in the markets, we'll be looking to position your portfolio for that opportunity. And if you have cash on the sidelines, get it in your account and ready to go for that opportunity if it shows up. Now, the stock and bond markets, the stock and bond rotations. In the stock rotation, we started this month in the technology stocks, owning the QQQ ETF. We continue to hold that into February. It did very well in January. In the bond rotation, there's only one change out of the three holdings. We are moving the municipal bonds out and moving preferred securities into the bond rotation. Now, this is the beginning of tax season. Some of you are already emailing or calling looking for your 1099. Now, LPL or Schwab will be sending your 1099s directly to you. We do not get them any quicker than you do. But an important thing to remember is, for those of you with non-qualified accounts, with taxable accounts, those 1099s almost always get revised really late, like mid-March. No, that's frustrating. We hate that that happens, but it occurs in every firm in the industry. It's due to the nature of the dividends and the way they're qualified. It is in your favor. It tends to reduce your taxation when it comes late in the year. So what you want to do is take your 1099, go to your CPA, and get your taxes fully prepared. Just don't push the send button until around March 15th in case a revised 1099 comes through. Thank you very, very much to all of you that have been kind enough to write a Google review for us. It is making a wonderful difference for those looking for a high quality financial planning and investment management firm. Thank you very much for your business. 2023 was a wonderful year for you and for us, and we look forward to supporting you in 2024.